Welcome back, Seth at UpGood, and today I'm going to show you how to do a deep clean on your garbage disposal. Now before you laugh, this is necessary because these things can be a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. But before I get into the method, here's two quick tips. Tip number one, despite what you may have heard, it's okay to put pretty much any type of food item down your disposal. However, you never, ever want to put fat, oil, or grease down the drain. Tip number two, when it comes to water, hot water is great for cleaning and preparing the line, but cold water is best when disposing of food items. And this is because cold water helps harden and solidify food particles, which will then allow them to be ground up and pass through the line easier and faster. Now, prevention is the best cure, and I like to do a deep clean on my disposal 3 to 4 times a year. This is how you do it. Step number one, get a half a cup of baking soda and pour that down the drain. Then follow that up with 1 cup of distilled white vinegar. Now it's going to start fizzing up pretty good, and that's okay. We want to sit there and let it work. And in the meantime, you want to get 6 cups of water boiling in the background. When that's ready, like mine is, go ahead and pull it off the stove and pour it down the drain. Step number two, get 2 cups of ice cubes and pour those down the drain as well. Also, get 1 cup of coarse sea salt and pour that over your ice cubes. With that completed, go ahead and run your cold water and grind it all up until it's completely passed through and gone. Finally, last step. Get a lemon, cut it into 4 wedges, and again, with your cold water running, go ahead and drop each wedge into the drain one at a time and grind those babies up till they're good and gone. That fruit will help clean and deodorize your line and leave your kitchen smelling super fresh. Boom! There you got it. Now your lines are happy, your disposal's happy, and mama's happy. And let's face it, that's the most important part, because if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy.